Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add transition to overlay only in CapCut PC. For example, I'm going to select the main image video clip just for this duration, and I'm going to select the um, overlay that just put on top another clip like so. So if you want to add transition to overlay only, you have to split the clip before and go to transition and select the transition you want to add to the clip. I'm going to select the horizontal lines and vertical lines, so just for the duration is same length with the another clip. Alright, so I'm going to remove from the background. And this is the final effect you have in the video. Alright, you can see this transition applied to all the clip. Alright, so I'm going to select the clip, the overlay and transition, and right click, select create compound clip. So you can see the final result. Alright, so the transition only applied to the overlay. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.